Good morning, investors. Welcome to the Stock Market College newsletter report on the 17th of September 2014. I didn't receive the newsletters yet, so I'm going to go forward with the market discussion. Currently, the American markets closed on Tuesday evening 100 points positive and closed on a level of 17,131 points. Now, the high you see here is close to 17,145 points. So they closed here on the top here. This is a day delayed chart, so they moved up 100 points closing that high due to speculation that interest rate tapering will happen later in 2015 than expected. So the market went up positive due to that news, and currently the Asian markets are also very positive, especially Hong Kong, 1.6% positive. Now take note, today when the market is closed on the JSE, you will see late afternoon the Federal Reserve Bank of the United States, they will have a federal meeting, as well as the Scottish voting response will also come to the market later during the course of the day. So there could be a bit of a volatility happening. Currently the American futures are about 10 points negative. That's very flat. That shows you still uncertainty for the late afternoon opening. So keep your eye open for volatility, especially late afternoon before the Federal Reserve will have their talk. Looking at the J200. The J200 is the top 40 shares on the JSE. They were quite a bit flat or negative yesterday and retreated late afternoon back in a positive channel. But as you can see here, look at this channel, still in a sideways movement, causing a lot of volatility in the current markets. Looking at ShopRite. ShopRite did move a bit up yesterday. Bit of speculation came to this specific share as well. Looking at the middle green line Bollinger Band, started to break it here at the 146 levels. To confirm if this breakup could be due, it needs to break these 150 levels to go higher, but still in a sideways pattern. Looking at Mr. Price, they were positive on the high yesterday. Volumes were quite low, but the share is still in a positive channel there. Looking at Woolies, they started to move a bit up as well, with a lot of speculation. Share low was about 72 Rand, currently trading at 72 Rand 45. MTN also got a bit of a kick up yesterday. A bit of volumes came in, share went a bit higher, and you can see the share closed here at 250 Rand and 45 cents. So the big question is, can you break this 250 Rand that you're currently on and go higher, back to this highs here? A lot of speculation currently of a takeover. So let's see what happens there. Volumes were quite good in the specific share as well. Looking at Vodacom. Vodacom also started to move up, close to the 150 Rand in the short term. Imperial started to pick up after yesterday, and this is a quite good sign. Share was on a low, look at this, high, low, higher. So got a bit of support here close to the 179 levels, 180 levels, and currently closed here at 184 Rand. So if you can break this 184 Rand, 185 Rand, you could most probably go back to this 189 level in the short term. Take note, a lot of speculation still in the market, a lot of news still due to the markets, especially from the US markets, the Britain markets, and especially tomorrow on the closeout of futures, our MPC meeting. So take note, the central bank will also have a meeting in the European Central Banking. A lot of speculation. Volatility will cause the market to go up and down, and a lot of speculators will get to the market on bargain buyings or shares at quite high to come physically down. So SA Breweries came down after the big announcement, came a bit down yesterday. Looking at Anglo Gold, also finding a bit of support. Looking at SA Breweries, came down here from the speculation. So we need to see how this will react very soon. Came down almost about 21 Rand yesterday. So enjoy the trading, enjoy the volatility, and let's see how the news will react in the next day or two to the markets.